ZD102S Drone, professional-grade aerial imaging with dual screens, dual cameras, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. The ZD102S Drone is a high-performance, foldable quadcopter designed for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Packed with advanced features like dual screens, dual cameras, brushless motors, GPS positioning, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, the ZD102S delivers a professional-grade flight experience for enthusiasts and aspiring aerial photographers. Key features: dual-screen remote controller. Experience enhanced control and real-time viewing with the integrated dual-screen remote controller. One screen displays the live camera feed, while the other provides flight telemetry and settings. Dual camera system. Capture diverse perspectives with the dual camera setup. Switch seamlessly between the front and bottom cameras to capture stunning aerial shots and videos. Brushless motors. Enjoy powerful and efficient flight performance with the durable and long-lasting brushless motors, providing strong wind resistance and stable flight. GPS positioning. Experience precise flight control and intelligent features like return to home, follow me mode, and waypoint flight thanks to the reliable GPS positioning system. 5G Wi-Fi transmission. Enjoy real-time, lag-free video transmission to the remote screens or your smartphone via 5G Wi-Fi, providing a smooth and clear FPV, first-person view, experience. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence knowing that the drone is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors, preventing collisions and ensuring safer flights. Foldable and portable design. The drone's foldable design makes it compact and easy to transport, perfect for taking on your adventures. Optical flow positioning. Achieve stable hovering and accurate positioning indoors or in GPS-denied areas with optical flow technology. Intelligent flight modes. Return to home. RTH automatically returns to the takeoff point in case of signal loss or low battery. Follow me mode. The drone automatically follows and tracks your movements. Waypoint flight. Plan and execute custom flight paths by drawing on your smartphone screen. Orbit mode. Capture smooth cinematic shots by circling a designated point. Gesture control. Control the drone and capture photos or videos with hand gestures. Headless mode. Simplifies flight control for beginners. One key takeoff and landing. Automated takeoff and landing for easy operation. HD image and video capture. Capture high-resolution photos and videos with the drone's advanced camera system. Benefits: professional-grade aerial photography and videography. Enhanced control and real-time viewing with dual screens. Capture diverse perspectives with dual cameras. Fly confidently with intelligent obstacle avoidance. Enjoy stable and precise flight with GPS and optical flow. Utilize intelligent flight modes for creative shots. Easily transport and store the drone with its foldable design. Overall, the ZD102S Drone is a feature-rich and powerful quadcopter that delivers a professional-grade aerial imaging experience. Its dual screens, dual cameras, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and advanced flight features make it an excellent choice for capturing stunning aerials.